My name is Adam Barlow. I am the principal founder of Baseline Controls. We are a management consulting company based in Raleigh, North Carolina. We specialize in delivering projects for our clients, specializing in project controls, project management, and capacity modeling. I just wanted to spend some time and share a story with you about how we use the Access Orchestrate software for one of our large pharmaceutical clients in the Raleigh-Durham area. Our goal for our first project using the Access Orchestrate software was to be able to answer the question for our client: was the facility that was currently being started up able to deliver on its design capacities? Our main task was to figure out if the facility that was being designed was capable of producing enough vaccines to support the US population in the event of a pandemic. So we chose Access Orchestrate after looking at a number of different softwares. But ultimately, it came down to the client was familiar using the software at another location. The use of the software by the client at another location provided them already with a similar feel and look, so they already knew what the software could do, and we were able to adapt to that quickly. So for us, as industrial engineers at core at heart, we have that process modeling background kind of instilled in us, so this software was a natural fit for us. For phase one, what we did is we built a capacity model. That capacity model is really able to simulate what a facility could do using the inputs that we build into the software. Taking your batch times, your cycle times, putting in your dependencies for the process, you're able to show from start to finish how long a batch could take in that facility. So the initial requirement for our objective was to figure out, could the facility that was being built make 150 million doses in a 6-month time frame? So how are we going to do that? Well, one, we needed to figure out what kind of model we could build to produce the data to be able to evaluate, was the facility designed appropriately to meet that demand? By using Access Orchestrate, we're able to run through a scenario of how fast could this facility run? By doing that, that identified some key bottlenecks and areas of improvement, which ultimately led to a short list of strategic process improvement projects that could be acted upon. So the value for the client now is that they have a model that they can use to run those what-if scenarios. What if they modified this piece of equipment? What if they added a new piece of machinery here? What if they changed their labor rates there? What does it do to the overall process? That for them is extremely beneficial because they can model that without actually having to make physical changes and run that data later. Shifting to phase two of this project was pretty seamless for the client. Having a model already built and being able to translate that into a day-to-day schedule was pretty easy. The software itself, having that model already built, was able to be handed off to a small planning group to be able to shift to day-to-day operations, taking that model and truly using it as a day-to-day schedule. So now the site has come to use Orchestrate pretty heavily, and they rely on it for their both primary and secondary operations. They also include their QC sampling and their shutdown planning and their maintenance activities all in one integrated tool. The benefits for the customer now are having a one schedule mentality site-wide. It has truly improved the communication across the site. They're able to move away from the multitude of spreadsheets and have one tool that, whether you're a supervisor, a manager, a shop floor technician, right, you've got one place to go to know what's happening on the floor, how those batches are being run, what's going on when is that next sample going to be pulled, when can a maintenance guy get onto the floor. Those benefits have been extremely large for the company. So the working relationship with the Access Group has been great. This was our first project using the software, and it has truly turned into a good partnership going forward. They've been really receptive to taking feedback, not only from us, but also our clients, to continually improve the software, and we've seen that change over time. We've been working with the Access Group for about 5 years now and continue to look forward to new projects and truly expanding on the benefits of this software with our clients going forward. We do this work and we advise our clients on a number of different processes and ways to improve the overall timelines for projects. But ultimately, in the pharmaceutical industry, this is about delivering medicines and life-saving drugs. So for us, there is a little bit of a heart pull here that we can say that, hey, we're doing our job here to not only give what our client needs. It's about making things faster and getting our doses out the door quicker, which in turn leads to medicines hitting those patients faster and ultimately saving lives.